Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change the contrast on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first let's click on the power button. Here we need to click on the menu, and right here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the picture. Now enter it by swiping either right or clicking OK. Now here, go to contrast, click on OK and click OK once again. Now you can slide either to the right to increase it or to the left to decrease it. So it's very easy. After you're done, just click on the power button again, and now you can just leave those settings. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.